Hello friends, we have a Zypher, a wine cooler. The customer's complaint is that it's making noise. They could hear it upstairs too. And I'm going to show you the model and serial number here. It's PRWB24F02AG. Anytime the customer is calling for the noise and vibration or hauling complaint on these units, the first thing I do is I check the installation. Look at the installation here. It's very tight from the sides, from the top. I cannot even put my fingers there, and here, and of course from the bottom it's very tight. So we need a ventilation here at the back. There's no way we can install a ventilation here. So the whole problem to me, it looks that the compressor is overheating, and when the compressor overheats because of the air circulation, it causes the condenser fan motor to make noise and the compressor gets louder.